All right, so here's a look at the size and how we're gonna mount these. So you can see that these are extremely small. It's probably the size of a tennis ball with a little bit cut off. It's also gonna come with this magnetic mount, which is the snap. That's why they call it the snap. And then you're gonna mount these on the wall using a couple different methods. Now you could use this method here, which is going to be the screws. So you can screw these into the wall with these sheetrock screws, which can be mounted up somewhere like that. And then this would just snap on, being that it's magnetic. And then you've got it there. Now to adjust it, it's easy. It's all magnetic. You kind of just twist it around into whatever direction you want it to be. Or you could also use this 3M sticky tape that comes with it as well. So this is gonna be a two-sided foam tape. Maybe you're putting this on like stucco or something like that and you don't want to drill into it. You can just use that three-sided 3M tape, and you're going to put that there on the back and it'll stick right on. So really easy to use, really easy to mount, and extremely small and compact.